In the age of Google Drive, OneDrive, iCloud Drive, and other cloud-based file systems, it may seem like you no longer need to worry about backing up files, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Whether you're a videographer with lots of external drives and large files, or any kind of professional with important client files on your computer, you should absolutely be backing up all of your files. But here's the thing, if you've got terabytes of stuff, how can you deal with it in a cost-effective way? I'm Michael from Messenger Bag Media, and today we're going to be talking about using Backblaze to back up all your files to the cloud and why that can be a better option versus backing up locally. I should mention that this is not a paid review. This is simply a product we've been using at MBM for several years, and we've got dozens of terabytes of data backed up. We just think this is such a great product, and more importantly, such a great deal. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please give this video a like if you're enjoying it. Let's jump in. First off, let's talk about why backups are non-negotiable. Imagine losing your entire project library, years of family photos, or irreplaceable client work because a hard drive failed. It's not just an inconvenience, it can be a financial and emotional disaster. Having a solid backup plan gives you peace of mind and ensures you're always prepared for the unexpected. Let's start by comparing local storage and cloud backup. Local storage, like external hard drives, is great for quick access, but it has limitations. Drives can fail, get stolen, or damaged in a fire or flood. If you're a professional, this is especially scary, as while it can be upsetting to lose important family photos or personal items, it's downright catastrophic to lose client or project files. Cloud backup, on the other hand, stores your files securely off-site. It's automated, scalable, and accessible from everywhere. And that's where Backblaze comes in. Now, some of you might be wondering, what about Apple's Time Machine? Time Machine is a fantastic tool for creating local backups on an external drive. It's easy to use and integrates seamlessly with macOS. But here's the downside, it's still local. If something happens to your drive or your physical workspace, your backups could be gone too. You can theoretically get around this by rotating a series of Time Machine backups and storing the drive in an external location, but it's extremely cumbersome and doesn't take into consideration files on other external drives. Backblaze, on the other hand, backs up your files to the cloud, ensuring they're safe from physical damage or theft. Plus, with Backblaze, you get automated backups without worrying about running out of space on your external drives. If you've got the files, Backblaze will back them up. For instance, at MBM, I have 3 external G Drive Professional HDDs. All of this, as well as other external SSDs and my actual on-device files, are backed up to Backblaze for no additional charge. So how's that possible? Backblaze offers 2 main services, their standard backup plan and B2 cloud storage. This standard backup plan is what Adam and I each use. For $9 a month, it provides unlimited backup for your computer and connected external drives. But that is the one catch, connected drives. You can have unlimited backups, but they need to be able to connect to your computer. No networked drives here. If you're looking for that, you've got to use the B2 cloud storage service, which charges per gigabyte stored. I've never used it myself, but I imagine it's a terrific option for larger businesses. For smaller businesses and individuals though, standard Backblaze is the way to go. To help with managing all of our drives, we each use a CalDigit TS4 or Thunderbolt 4 Pro docking station. We've got some videos explaining the differences and a review of each product that you can check out. But in relation to Backblaze, the thing you need to know is that it makes it extra easy to have all of our drives plugged in all at once with just one cable into each of our computers. Remember, Backblaze can only back up what it can see, so you've got to periodically plug your drives in and leave them active for the backup to run. Backblaze is designed to be as lightweight on your computer as possible. It consistently runs in the background, and it even allows you options to not trigger backups when using certain Wi-Fi networks. This is helpful if you're ever in another location that might have usage limits or painfully slow upload speeds. Again, Backblaze is a cloud-based backup service. This means that the first time you back up your computer and drives, it may take several days depending on your upload speed. I have 1.5 gigabit per second upload and download speed, so uploads are extremely quick for me. However, Adam has significantly slower upload and download speeds and has never run into any issues. One of the best/easiest things you can do with Backblaze is to let it run overnight or when you're not using your computer. However, if you're looking to force Backblaze to update right away, here's a secret tip you can use to trigger an immediate backup. Open the Backblaze Preferences app. Hold down the Option key on your keyboard, then click the Restore Now button. This will force Backblaze to scan all of your drives for any differences since the last time it backed up. It may take a couple of minutes to do this in the background, then it will produce an updated file list and begin. As I said, Backblaze is designed to be as lightweight and non-resource intensive as possible, so it will sometimes wait a while before it scans drives. If you've got stuff constantly plugged in and turned on, this is never really an issue. But sometimes when I get back from a shoot, I want it to back up my new files right away, and this is an easy solution. Another important feature to consider is Backblaze's retention history. By default, files are kept for 30 days after they're deleted or changed. But if you need longer retention, you can opt for the extended version history. You can choose between a 1-year history or unlimited retention. Unlimited comes with an additional cost, but they recently rolled in 1-year history for the same cost as 30-day. You just have to go into your account and select the setting. So what if the worst happens and one of your drives actually fails and you need to access your files? Backblaze has a built-in online file browser where you can look through everything that's been backed up and download anything from entire drives to individual files. You can also use this browser to verify all your files are indeed backed up. If you need massive amounts of data and you've got slow internet speeds, they also offer the ability to have a hard drive shipped to you with all of your files on it. This does cost extra, but if you mail them back the drive, you'll get a refund. Otherwise, you can just keep the drive. Backblaze is one of the most cost-effective and user-friendly cloud backup services out there. So let's sum up why it's perfect for media professionals and anyone with massive file sizes. 1. Unlimited backup. You can back up everything. Photos, videos, projects, you name it, without worrying about storage limits. As I mentioned, we've got an insane amount of stuff backed up. I have just shy of 32 terabytes myself, and Adam has almost 12 terabytes. 2. Flat pricing. At just $9 a month, it's an affordable solution, especially compared to constantly buying more hard drives. As I said, 32 terabytes backed up, and my cost has never increased due to file size. 3. Ease of use. Set it up once and Backblaze automatically backs up your files in the background. No manual effort required. 4. Access anywhere. Access your files from any device through their web interface or mobile app. 5. Restore options. Need your files back? You can download them or even get them shipped to you on a hard drive. Here's the thing, cloud backup isn't just about convenience. It's a safety net. Whether your laptop crashes, your hard drive dies, or you accidentally delete a file, Backblaze has your back. So whether you're managing terabytes of video footage, a library of high-res photos, or even just your personal files, Backblaze is an investment in peace of mind. Don't wait until it's too late to protect your data. If you're interested in giving it a go, I've included a link in the description so you can try Backblaze today for free for 1 month, no credit card required. Do you use Backblaze to back up your files? Do you have another cloud service? Are you still rocking local backups, or are you, gasp, not backing up at all? Leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts and if there are any other topics you'd like to see us cover. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips, tricks, and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.